guys, welcome to Jaydens' Wacky videos. Jaydens is just so wacky.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And on this video, we were driving RC cars today. I have my Armma, I have my Traxxas Slash, and my dad has his Typhon. We are at Victoria Park. We were driving RC cars on the sidewalk on the grass, and our batteries got low, actually pretty low. Mine got really low. My dad's just started getting low, but yeah. So if you can tell, the body and the car is a little different. I got a new body for my car, and then the back wheels are bigger. If you can tell the comparison, this wheel is smaller compared to this one. I made the wheels bigger because when I go on the grass, my car can barely go. But because of the bigger wheels I have on them, it can go fast, a tiny bit faster on the grass. It is also more stable, and you can drift way better. Because with the small wheels, you couldn't really drift that good, but because of the bigger wheels, you can drift way better. That's what I'm scared of. Yeah. Oh yeah, it works way better. Oh my.
What? Did you die already?
No.
Oh.
Yours goes super fast, Dad. Like when you what were you doing? I thought you were gonna curve around me. I'm like,
I was trying to go around you, but it didn't turn.
my car. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. Bye.